like to save my coins, but I love a good luxury southern vibe. So I made these DIY acrylic wedding invitations for less than $20. You want to see how?
The first thing I did was load my design into the design space after I created it in Canva, printed that, made sure everything was good, did it a few times just to make sure I got it correct. Once it was good to go, I let it run all the way through, printed it, and then began to weed it. I love this part. It is great for my OCD brain. And then I cleaned my acrylic and began to transfer the vinyl to the acrylic, making sure that all of those letters stick, and then taking my sweet, precious time to make sure that it was perfect. Same thing for my name, making sure that is aligned and beautiful the way I want it. And then now it's time to put it together. I grabbed some magnolia tree leaves because I'm a Mississippi girl. Got a box with a lid because I love the way that those look. This is so luxurious. And then it is finished.